In this video, I will show you how you can add PDF file in Elementor. First, we are going to use a website which is called Elf site, and this is the website we are gonna use. After that, you need to sign up this website and then click on widgets. Now here, search for PDF. Go to PDF embed. Now select template to start with. You can select any of template from here. So let's select this one. After that, click on continue. So this is sample PDF. Just delete this. Now add a new file. Click on add. Upload file. Now select your PDF file from your computer. And it's uploading. Now let's click on done. Now our PDF uploaded. Now on the bottom, click on add to website for free. Now wait a couple of moments. After that, on the top right corner, click on close. This is our PDF file. Now on the right side, click on 3 dot icon and then click on embed code. Copy code. Now go back to your WordPress website and edit your page with the Elementor page builder, or you can use any of editor. After that, click on plus icon. Now here, search for HTML and then paste the code, and there you go. So that's how you can add PDF file to your WordPress website. Hope that this video helped you out. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.